Ryobi's ONE Plus lineup is built around one simple idea. Use the same 18V battery platform across many tools, from drilling and cutting to cleanup, fastening, inflation, and lighting. For homeowners, DIY users, mechanics, remodelers, and Amazon shoppers. That makes tool upgrades easier because many of these products can work with batteries already in the system. Today, we are counting down 20 Ryobi tools. Number 20. Ryobi 18V ONE Plus HP Compact Brushless 1/2 Drill/Driver Kit. Starting off, this compact drill and driver is made for everyday drilling and fastening without taking up much space. Its 6.4-inch length helps in tight areas, cabinets, corners, and overhead work. The brushless motor gives better runtime, longer motor life, and up to 400 inch-pounds of torque. You also get a 2-speed motor, 24-position clutch, single-sleeve ratcheting chuck, and onboard LED light. Since it comes with battery and charger, it is useful for beginners building a Ryobi setup or DIY users who want one dependable drill kit. Number 19. Ryobi R18 ID2-0 Impact Wrench 1/4 Hex 18V ONE Plus. For quick screw driving and fastening jobs, this compact impact tool brings more force than a standard drill. It delivers up to 200 Nm of torque with a 1/4-inch hex connection for fast bit changes. The variable speed trigger helps with control, while the aluminum gear housing adds durability. Since battery and charger are sold separately, it suits users already in the ONE Plus platform. It is useful for assembly work, repair jobs, and driving fasteners where extra torque saves time. Number 18. Ryobi ONE Plus Cordless 3/8 Ratchet Wrench. Tight bolts in cars, motorcycles, and equipment can be awkward with a hand ratchet. This cordless ratchet solves that by giving powered fastening in confined spaces. It uses a 3/8-inch square drive with detent pin for secure socket fitment and offers 60 Nm of torque. The rotating head has 4 positions, and the large paddle switch improves control. For automotive users, mechanics, and garage DIYers, it helps speed up repetitive bolt work. Number 17. Ryobi R18 AG0 ONE Plus Cordless Angle Grinder. Cutting, grinding, and surface cleanup become more flexible when the grinder is cordless. This ONE Plus angle grinder is built for users who need mobility away from outlets. It fits common grinding tasks around metal hardware and general workshop projects. Since it runs on Ryobi's 18V system, it is best for users who already own compatible batteries. It is a practical tool for DIY repairs, light fabrication, and job site touch-up work. Number 16. Ryobi ONE Plus HP 18V Brushless Cordless Compact Cutoff Tool. This 3-inch cutoff tool is made for quick cuts through multiple materials, including metal, plastic, tile, PVC, drywall, cement board, and vinyl siding. Its brushless motor reaches up to 19,500 RPM, while the 8.5-inch compact body improves one-handed control. The adjustable guard, depth guide, forward and reverse cutting, dual LEDs, and quick stop brake make it easier to work accurately in tight areas. It fits remodelers, electricians, plumbers, and DIY users needing fast, small cuts. Number 15. Ryobi PBL MT50B ONE Plus HP 18V Brushless Cordless Multi-Tool. For jobs that do not fit a standard saw or sander, this oscillating multi-tool adds flexibility. It can cut drywall, wood, metal, plastic, and composite materials, while also handling detail sanding. The brushless motor, 3.6-degree oscillation angle, and speed up to 20,000 OPM help improve cutting speed. Tool-free accessory changes reduce downtime, and the LED light helps in darker spaces. It is useful for remodelers, installers, and homeowners doing trim work, repairs, and cutouts. Number 14. Ryobi 1P505 18V Cordless 5.1/2 Circular Saw. This cordless circular saw is made for portable wood cutting around the house, workshop, or job site. With 4,700 RPM, it offers strong cutting performance without needing a cord. The adjustable bevel goes up to 50 degrees, giving flexibility for angled cuts. A rubber overmold grip improves handling, while the transparent lower guard helps visibility. It is useful for DIY construction, light demolition, shelving, and quick lumber cuts. Number 13. Ryobi ONE Plus 18V Cordless Reciprocating Saw PCL 515B. Demolition cuts, pruning cuts, and quick material removal become easier with a cordless reciprocating saw. This model offers variable speed control up to 3,400 SPM and a 1-inch stroke length. That combination helps with faster cutting through common materials depending on blade choice. Since it is tool-only, it works best for users who already have ONE Plus batteries. It is useful for homeowners, remodelers, and DIY users handling rough cuts. Number 12. Ryobi ONE Plus HP 18V Brushless Cordless Jigsaw. For curved cuts, cutouts, and detailed shaping, this cordless jigsaw gives more control than a circular saw. Its brushless motor provides faster cutting and longer runtime compared with previous designs. 4 orbital settings let users adjust cut aggressiveness, while tool-free bevel adjustment makes angled cuts easier. The easy-release blade lever speeds up blade changes, and the LED light improves cut line visibility. Woodworkers, remodelers, and DIY builders can use it for panels, trim, and project materials. Number 11. Ryobi ONE Plus 18V Cordless 7.1/4N Sliding Compound Miter Saw. This cordless miter saw brings portability to trim, molding, and crosscut work. It uses an 18V motor reaching up to 3,600 RPM and can crosscut up to a nominal 2x10. The sliding design supports wider boards, while bevel adjustment from 0 to 45 degrees left and miter detents help with common angle cuts. Integrated carry handles and dust collection improve job site convenience. It is useful for flooring, trim installation, framing touch-ups, and mobile cutting setups. Number 10. Ryobi HP 18V Brushless 6-in Compact Pruning Mini Chainsaw Kit. Light pruning and liming are easier with a compact battery-powered chainsaw. This 6-inch model is designed for branches up to 4 inches and gives cordless operation without gas or cords. ONE Plus HP technology supports faster cutting when paired with an HP battery. The tool-less chain tensioning and oil-free design keep maintenance simple. Since the kit includes battery and charger, it is useful for homeowners, gardeners, and property owners doing small yard cleanup. Number 9. Ryobi ONE Plus 18V Cordless Compact Workshop Blower P755. Dust, sawdust, and light debris can build up quickly during projects. This compact workshop blower gives a cordless cleanup option for benches, garages, tools, and small work areas. Its main benefit is portability. You can move around without dragging an extension cord, making it handy after sanding, drilling, cutting, or general DIY work. Since it is tool-only, it fits users who already own Ryobi 18V batteries. Number 8. Ryobi R18AC0 Cordless Air Compressor. This cordless air compressor is made for roadside tire inflation and for powering pneumatic finish nailers without staying tied to an outlet. Its compact design weighs 6.4 kilograms without battery, making it easier to transport. It delivers up to 8.3 bar or 120 psi with a locking regulator for output control, onboard hose storage, and a drain valve add convenience. It is useful for garage users, mobile repair work, tire top-offs, and light pneumatic tool tasks. Number 7. Ryobi 18V ONE Plus Dual Function Digital Inflator Deflator PCL031B. Inflating tires, sports balls, pool toys, and air mattresses becomes easier with one dual-function tool. It offers high-pressure inflation up to 160 psi and high-volume airflow up to 16 SCFM. Auto shut-off helps stop inflation at the selected psi, while the digital pressure gauge gives clear readings. The Quick Connect air chuck supports hands-free tire inflation, and onboard accessory storage keeps small adapters nearby. It is useful for cars, bikes, camping, and home storage. Number 6. Ryobi ONE Plus 18V Lithium-Ion Cordless PEX Tubing Clamp Tool P660. PEX plumbing work requires secure clamp connections, and this cordless tool is designed for that task. It helps reduce hand effort compared with manual clamp tools, especially during repetitive plumbing installs. Since it is part of the ONE Plus platform, it fits users already using Ryobi batteries. It is most useful for DIY plumbing repairs, renovation work, and installers handling PEX tubing connections. Number 5. Ryobi ONE Plus 18-gauge cordless air strike narrow crown stapler P361. This cordless stapler removes the need for compressors, hoses, or gas cartridges. Air strike technology makes setup faster and gives better movement around the work area. It can sync up to 1/2-inch staples and hardwoods and deliver up to 1,700 staples per charge. Tool-free depth adjustment helps set staples properly, while the cordless design reduces clutter. It is useful for lattice work, floor underlayment, trim support, and carpentry projects. Number 4. Ryobi 18V ONE Plus 5 Random Orbit Sander for smoothing wood, preparing surfaces, or finishing projects. This cordless random orbit sander offers 10,000 OPM and a swirl-free finish. Ryobi lists 40% reduced vibration versus the previous model, which helps comfort during longer sanding sessions. Hook and loop paper changes are quick, and onboard dust collection helps keep the workspace cleaner. Multiple grip zones improve control. It is useful for furniture, cabinets, shelves, and painted surface prep. Number 3. Ryobi 12V Cordless Rotary Toolkit. Detail work needs small, controlled power, and this 12V rotary tool is built for cutting, grinding, sanding, and polishing. It offers a speed range from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM. The variable speed dial lets users match speed to each accessory and material. The quick change collet allows faster accessory swaps, and the kit includes 35 accessories plus 3 attachments. It is useful for crafts, hobby work, small repairs, engraving, and tight space detailing. Number 2. Ryobi 18V ONE Plus LED Spotlight PCL661B. Strong lighting matters for outdoor work, emergencies, camping, and job site visibility. This spotlight delivers over 3,000 lumens and reaches a 650-yard beam distance. It has high, medium, and low settings, with up to 7 hours of runtime on low using a compatible 4.0 battery. The compact design is 26% smaller than the previous model, and the hanging loop adds storage flexibility. It is useful for homeowners, mechanics, security checks, and outdoor work. Number 1. Ryobi ONE Plus 18V Lithium-Ion Portable Power Source P743. Finishing the countdown is a portable power source for Ryobi 18V users. This type of tool turns a ONE Plus battery into a compact power option for small electronics and mobile use. It is useful when working away from outlets, during travel, in garages, or during power interruptions. For users already invested in Ryobi batteries, it adds extra value beyond regular tools by helping keep devices powered when needed. So, which Ryobi tool from this countdown would you use first? Drop your pick in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more tool roundups, comparisons, and buying guides.